Welcome right into this video. Today I will be showing you how I do a braid out on dry stretched hair. My hair was washed and conditioned the night before, as well as put into 10 single braids to dry and stretch overnight. And I am applying my As I Am curl enhancing smoothie throughout all of my strands, and then I'm adding a little extra on my ends where it tends to be a little drier, blending that in very well. And then I'm going to add my foaming wrap lotion. I'm going to blend that in as well. Once it's all blended, I will detangle with my brush, make sure my hair is smooth, and then I will put my hair into 3 even sections and begin my braid. An important tip for you all is to remember not to borrow hair. Put your hair into 3 even sections and then begin to form your braid. If you borrow hair, that will make the takedown process a fail because your hair will frizz and it will tangle and you might not have any curls left. So just remember that tip. And then at the ends of my hair, I add this smoothing gel and then I twirl it around my finger. And I do this just to prevent any frizz at the end and to keep my hair from unraveling while it is drying. And I'm going to repeat those steps for the rest of my hair, and I'll be back. Okay, it is now the next day and my hair is completely dry, and the first thing I do is add oil to my braids. And if you followed my tips on not borrowing hair while braiding, you will be able to unravel your hair as easily as I am. I just grabbed 2 sections and very slightly pulled upwards, and then the braids just unraveled. I had no tangles and no frizz. And once the takedown is complete, I began to fluff and separate my hair with my fingers, and I also use a pick to lift my hair from the roots. And once I have my desired style, which is a curly fro, that's the look that I'm pretty much going for. Once I have that, the style will be complete. I hope you liked my video. If so, could you please like, subscribe, and share? And I really do hope to see you on the next one. Have a great day.